The landscape is pretty easy. We got the sea in the southern part of the airport, and we got the beginning of the, it's not actually the Alps, it's the Esterel, which is on the northeast pass of the airport. We will be therefore landing, approaching this way and landing onto runway 31 right. Weather destination, we've been discussing it. Right now we got a wind of 310 at 9 knots and restricted visibility. Few clouds at 2,000 feet, temperature of 8 degrees Celsius, dew point of 6. QNH is 1003 with no significant change planned. Landing weight was calculated at 212.8 tons with an associated reference speed of 138 knots. The QNH is preset at 1003. The minima is set to 360. The approach path, we've been discussing it together. So as we've going through the instrument approach, then we move on to the ILS approach, which is straight through Calon, Madras, and then to intercept the localizer, which is the final course for runway 31 right. In case of a go-around, we go on course 313 to 3.5 from My Papa Victor, which is the ILS, a left turn 199 to intercept the radial 019 of Martigues, left turn again to leave Martigues on the radial 147, back to Calon at 3,500 to hold.
Provence, bonjour, Ryan 945, with information, Delta with descent flight level 150.
945, bonjour, cette course Madras direct, descent level 70.
Madras flight level 70, Ryan 945.
Merci. Autorisé, ILS 231 directeur chef, qui éventuellement pourra faire une terminale vue après Boeing. C'est noté.
$500. $400. Approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 30, 20, 10.
Okay, then welcome in Marseille, Provence. We're on stand 9 Bravo after 10 hours and 49 minutes of flight time, 11 hours and 5 minutes of block time. Landing was uneventful. We taxied out by taxiway Delta 2 as planned onto our stand. The runway was slightly wet, that's why the captain and myself, we decided on short final to use auto brake 4 in order to vacate on the first possible exit for the 777-300, as we had an aircraft in the background. And wish you a lot of fun watching the videos.